Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set them up. Let's start with an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top, then confirm at the bottom, continue, allow in first pop-up, allow all in the second one, and over here whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now on Samsung, do exactly the same. Click on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow all and whatever you want to. When you're ready, choose Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Finally, go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now, in some of those categories, like apps, you need to choose an app and then you will have to confirm after hitting send that you really want to send it. In categories like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access this content on your Android. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. And if you picked any app to transfer, hit OK in the pop-up. Now tap on Got It, and here's some tip 1. And decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key on Samsung. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And when you finished, hit Receive button to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up by tapping on while using the app, or only this time, and then point your device's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Now you need to close all of those ads or on both devices. And finally, as you can see, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!